Welcome to Economics Window by Garima Singh. Today we are going to do the map activity from chapter number 6 of Geography, Human Resources. So as we all know, this chapter is regarding human resources, and in this chapter we have studied about the population, right? So what we will be doing here is, we'll be marking the continents first and the ocean on the world map, and then we'll be marking the most populous countries. Okay. Now, coming to the very first question, guys, you need to take out the world map. Again, I am repeating, and kindly take the political map so that it is easier for you to mark the different continents as well as the countries, which we'll be doing in the next question. So, very first question is, mark and locate the continents and the oceans on the world map. So, before we start marking, let's just take a quick revision that there are 7 continents: Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. And we have total 5 ocean: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Right? So we'll be marking them on the map. So this is the filled map. You can just here pause the video and fill in your world map accordingly. This green part highlights the area of Asia. So this dark green part represents the area of Asian continent, right? Then we have the Europe. This yellow color, dark yellow color, marks the area of the continent Europe. Then we have the African continent below it, and then we have the South American continent and the North American continent, and lastly we have Australia. Australia is marked by this pink color. You can just fill in your map with different colors so that you are aware of the different continents. And lastly we have Antarctica, which is given here somewhere down in the white color, right below the Southern Ocean. So you can just pause the video, take the screenshot and fill it quickly so that we can move on to the next question. I hope you have already marked the places. Then we have the second question. This is the table given. You need to look at this figure and find out the countries. How many are there in Asia, and color them on the map. So first we need to recognize whether all out of these countries, which all countries belong to Asia, right? So number 1 we have Japan. Yes, Japan lies in the Asian continent. Nigeria? No, Nigeria lies in the African continent. Russia? Yes, Russia is the only country which is present in European side also, and as well as on the Asian continent. So Russian country will be divided into 2 parts, and half of the area lies in the European part and half lies in the Asian part. तो जो एशिया वाला पार्ट है आज सिर्फ उसको मार्क करेंगे. Then we have बांग्लादेश. Yes. पाकिस्तान. Yes. ब्राजील एशियन कॉन्टिनेंट में नहीं लाई करता है. ब्राजील कहाँ लाई करता है? It lies in the South American continent. Then we have Indonesia. Yes. USA. No. USA किधर है? North American continent में. Then we have India and China. Obviously, both the country lies on the Asian continent. Now take out the another world map. We'll fill in the Asian countries out of these. So this dark yellow color represents the Russia part. And how you can memorize here is this. So this half moon that you can see here above, इस हाफ मून से ना आपको लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है एंड टुवर्ड्स द राइट हैंड साइड. ओके, आप कलर करोगे तो ये पूरा येलो पार्ट कौन से कॉन्टिनेंट में लाई करेगा? एशियन कॉन्टिनेंट में. और अगर आप उसके लेफ्ट हैंड साइड देखोगे तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड वाला जो ये पार्ट बचा है थोड़ा सा, ये आपका यूरोपियन पार्ट है. लेकिन मैप में हमें क्या मार्क करना है? ओनली द एशियन कंट्रीज. सो विल बी फिलिंग इन द एशियन कंट्रीज. देन दिस रेड कलर signifies the area of China, and purple color belongs to our own nation, our mother country, India. I hope you are able to mark both of these countries, right? Then in between this our map, you can see a little bit of red color, right? This red color represents which nation? This is Bangladesh. I hope you are filling it along with this video. Then we have the light green portion, which represents the island nation Japan. So this light green portion represents the nation Japan. Okay. Then we have Indonesia. This dark green portion, this island, group of island belongs to Indonesia, and then towards the left hand side of India, we have our neighbor country, Pakistan. So these were the countries that you were supposed to mark in this map. I hope you have already filled in the maps. If not, you can pause the video and quickly fill in the countries. So guys, that was it for today's map activity. I hope you enjoyed doing the math activity, and if you did, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Economics Window for more amazing content. And the question for today is, you need to comment down below in the comment section, world's most populated country. Okay, you need to name that country in the comment section below along with your name. Thank you for watching.